Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you are doing good and safe at your home. This is your Qaida lesson of grade 1. Topic is Huruf Leen. Chapter number 10, Reinforcement. As we have done this chapter in our last term, just we will recall it again. Page number 21 and 22. Learning outcomes. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify and pronounce Leen letters correctly. You will be able to read with joining the letters and fluently as well. You will be able to tell Leen letters by heart, inshallah. Introduction. Leen letters are tu, waw and ya. We should read them always softly without making them long. Whenever these two letters will be silent, before them there will be zabar sign. Only at that time they will be considered as Leen letters. You can see this page is given from your qaida. It's तख्ती number 10, chapter number 10, हुरूफ लीन. वाव और या साकिना से पहले ज़बर हो तो उन्हें लीन कहा जाता है. As earlier in the beginning of the lesson I told you that only whenever वाव और या साकिन, वाव and या are silent, before them when there is zabar, they will be considered as huruf leen. So we will read them in how to read them. इन्हें नहायत नरमी से बगैर खींचे पढ़ा जाता है. It is also told in the beginning that we should not read them, make them long, and we should not say hard. So huruf leen, first of all you are doing waw leen. Examples of waw, how to read it. You can see this is waw silent and the last sign is zabar, so it is waw leen. So how we will read it? Hamza waw zabar aw, ba waw zabar baw. If you will not say hamza waw zabar aw, baw, no, you will say hamza waw zabar aw, ba waw zabar baw, ta waw zabar taw, tha waw zabar thaw, jim waw zabar jaw, ha waw zabar haw. Same this way, joining and then fluently also. Khaw, daw, raw, raw, zaw, saw, shaw, swaw, daw, taw, dhaw, aw, ghaw, faw, qaw, kaw. See the difference? Qaw, kaw, law, maw, naw, waw, haw, yaw, jaw, aw. As you have done this chapter earlier in our last term, so just we are saying it fluently, but you should practice it in both the ways, fluently and with joining the letters. Then you can see here we have some examples of waw leen. Fa waw zabar faw, qaf zabar qaw, faw qaw. Qaf sound should be proper. Qaw, faw qaw, fawqa will be wrong. Faw qaw, qaf waw zabar qaw, lam zabar la, qaw la, sin waw zabar saw, hamza do zir in, saw in. Why are we making gunna over here? As you can see we are having tanween over here, so we are making gunna. Saw in, mawla, mim waw zabar maw, lam alif zabar la, alif madda we have, so we'll make it long. Mawla, hamza waw zabar aw, lam alif zabar la, awla, dal pesh du, awladu, alif madda we are making long. We have done this also earlier. We will in the next week we will revise this also. Ya waw zabar yaw, mim zabar ma, yawma. So we will say it fluently. Complete chapter again. Then the next we have ya leen examples. Hamza ya zabar ay, ba ya zabar bay, ta ya zabar tay, sa ya zabar say, jim ya zabar jay, ha ya zabar hay. Here also you can see that always we are making them softly, we are reading them softly. We will not make it hard. We will not say I, by, it will be wrong. Khoy, day, they, roy, zay, say, shay, soy, boy, toy, voy, ay, oy, fay, qoy, kay, lay, may, nay, way, hay, ay, yay, zoy, kayfa. Then you can see the down we have examples of the yalin in the words. Kaf ya zabar, kay, fa zabar, fa. Kayfa. You will not say kayfa, it will be wrong. Kayfa. Dayfi, bayti, bayna, ghaybu, hawlayni, kamilayni. We are making it little long because alif madda is there. Kamilayni, yawmayni, sulaymana, alif madda long. Sulaymana, zawjayni, aynun, tanween, gunna sound. Qawsayni. Okay, just like this, just you will practice it this way. Remember to apply the rules taught during the lesson. Keep on revising the rules given in your qaida. Practice in both the ways with joining the letters and fluently as well. Just practice it from your complete qaida, as we have done our qaida, alhamdulillah. Complete qaida we have finished. So properly practice from all the rules from the beginning of qaida. Inshallah next week we will have assessment for qaida, from qaida. Thank you.